Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying UEFI and that secure boot is supported by the motherboard. Check settings now. Then back up the boot drive so recovery is instant if anything breaks. Next, obtain the platform/vendor keys and the signed bootloader or shim binary. You will need these to enroll Trust. Once done, reboot into firmware to prepare for key enrollment. Make sure to keep a USB with keys ready and readable. You now enter the firmware key management interface and enroll the platform key, PK, first. This grants control. Once PK is in place, add the key exchange key, KEK, and vendor database entries, DB, using the signed files you downloaded. After key enrollment, install the signed bootloader and confirm the OS kernel signatures are accepted. Make sure to save changes and set Secure Boot to enabled. The system will then enforce the key chain you created. You finish by rebooting and verifying that Secure Boot reports enabled and that the bootloader and kernel are verified. If the system fails to boot, hold a recovery USB to revert to previous keys or temporarily disable Secure Boot to regain access. When addressing failures, collect firmware error logs and compare binary hashes to the enrolled DB entries, then re-sign or enroll any missing binaries. Once stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.